Okay, so this is a video review of the Everdure Rotisserie Tumbler. So I'm just going to cover a little bit, what you get, and I'll do some measurements as well for you in the event that you're not using it with an Everdure grill. So the way it works is it flips over, how it latches, sorry, and you close it. When you close it, I didn't lock these in place, so you have these two little locks that I presume that hold the rod that you put in to keep it in place. There you go. And so anyway, so you just close it, and in order for you to completely close it, you got to press this button right here, and then it just kind of slides in place, and that also prevents it from opening. So you do the opposite, opens up, and then there you go. So it's kind of simple as that. And so this is advertised as working for two different sizes, square rod. And my assessment is, or my guess is, it just depends on, this is what allows you to use the small rod while you tighten this down. So a measurement to help you make a determination if this is something that you want or you want to use for your grill. So here goes. I'm going to reset this. First, just going to do a quick diameter check here so you can see the diameter of the actual metal that's being used. So there you go. So 1.2. Just measure at a different point. So there you go. Pretty close, right? 1.19. And I'm not going to measure here the front because there's a lip. You can't really get it in there. And then I'm going to measure the internal diameter here for you. Give you an idea what. There you go. So again, these measurements are not perfect. I'm not stabilizing everything and making sure that everything is exact, but just taking these measurements to help you make a determination if this is what you need or this is what you want. It fits my need. It's exactly what I wanted. I'm going to be using this with a grill that's made by Everdure. So I don't expect any issues as far as fitment goes. But I thought, since this is more of a generic, it's advertised as kind of a generic rotisserie tumbler, that those types of measurements and an overview how it works would help you make your decision.